Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching the videos and subscribing the channel. इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन 5B ऑफ पेपर 2024 CSCIS करने जा रहे हैं. पार्ट ऑफ पेपर 2. Solve the following system of linear equations by Gauss-Jordan method. So equations are 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5, 4x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 3, 2x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2. 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. सो हम इसे डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स बनाएंगे एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड. गॉस-जॉर्डन मेथड में हम डायगोनली डोमिनेंट मैट्रिक्स बनाते हैं. तो पहले इक्वेशंस को मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. जो कोफिशिएंट्स हैं वेरिएबल के वो हमने लिख लिए ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स में. अब कैलकुलेशन करते हुए हम करंट वैल्यू ऑफ रो यूज करेंगे. जो भी लेटेस्ट वैल्यू रो की आएगी दैट वी विल बी यूजिंग. तो पहले में हम R1 को, दिस इज R1 इनिशियली जो हम ले रहे हैं, R2 R3 चेंज होते रहेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन. सो R1 इज R1 अपॉन 2. सो यूज करें करंट वैल्यू. सो 1 3/2 minus half and 5/2. Now we take this value of R1 which we have got and with the help of this we change R2 and R3. So R2 is now R2 minus 4R1. We operate and on R3 we operate. R3 is R3 minus 2R1 to make these zeros. So we get these zeros and then we come to R2. R2 is R2 minus 4R1. So that is 4 minus 3/2 into 4. That is 4 minus 6 which is minus, and here minus 3 minus plus 4. So minus. So we applied these operations here. R2 minus 4R1. So R2 is this row and now R1 is this one, and with the help of this is R2 and this is R1. With the help of this R1, R2 has been calculated and R3. So we get these elements. Now we apply on R2, we divide it by minus 2 and we get the first row will be same. In second row we are dividing it by minus 2, so it becomes 1/2 and 7/2. Third row is as it is. Now we apply on first row. With the help of second row we will make these elements. We have to make these elements 0 basically. So we will use R2 to make this element 0. So R1 is R1 minus 3/2 R2. अगर हम करें तो हमें ये element, this one will become 0. So this is 1 and this is minus. So this is plus 1. So this becomes R1, that is 3/2 minus 3/2. So this is 0. Then we have here minus half. So minus half into 3/2. Minus half and minus half into 3/2 is minus half minus 3/4, which is minus 2 because 4 is LCM. So minus 3 gives minus 5/4. So this is minus 5/4. Then we come to this next element, 5/2 minus 7/2 into 3/2. It gives 4 is LCM and 10 minus 21. So minus 11 upon 4. Then we come to R2 is same because we make R3 elements 0 with the help of this. R3 plus 6 times, because this is 6 we are making it 0. This element we are making 0. So 6 R. So 0 0 and here it is R3 is 3 and plus 6 R2. So 3 plus 6 into 1/2, that is 3 plus 3 6, and then minus 3 plus 7/2 into 6. So 7 into 3 21. 21 minus 3 is 18. This is 18. Now we do one more. You can write in next step and we can write here R3 is R3 by 6. So this will become 1 and this will become 3. So the third row is okay. Now we have to do calculations in R1 and R2. So R1 is R1 plus 5/4 R3. It will make this element 0 and R2 is R2 minus 1/2 R3. So it will make this element 0. So we write first row we have to change, third row is same. First third row we have written. Now Next in R1 we are doing, here it is 0 in this, because we are doing 5 times and adding, it will automatically will 0. Next is minus 11 by 4, minus 11 by 4 plus 5 by 4 into 3. So this is 4 LCM 15 minus 11, 4 by 4, that is 1. Now here 0 1 and this is 1 by 2. We are doing R2 minus, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1. So this becomes 0, and here it is 7 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by, that is 4 by 2 means 2. We got the answer. Z is 3 from this row, Y is 2 and X is equal to 1. Thank you.